What's up guys? Today I'm exploring Little Traverse Wheelway, the bike path that goes from Charlevoix all the way up to Harbor Springs right along Lake Michigan. It's about 27 miles. I'm going to show you places to stop, some views you can expect, and take you along for the ride. So let's get going. Here we go. I'm Steph. 3 years ago, I had never even heard of the Petoskey area, but then I fell in love and moved here with my husband. We've traveled all over the world, but some of our favorite adventures are exploring this place we call home. So I'm parking at Mount McSaba recreational area in Charlevoix, and then I'll hop on my bike and get on the path from here. What I love about the Wheelway is that it follows the coast of Lake Michigan from Charlevoix up to Harbor Springs. The views along the Wheelway are beautiful. It is so stunning out here. Every time you get a glimpse of Lake Michigan, it's like, whoa! They have great signage on the trail and maps along the way that show you where you are, where you're going, bathroom facilities, parking areas, things like that. I also love that you can make the Wheelway whatever you want it to be. Some people take it very seriously and get from point A to point B as fast as they can. Other people kind of make their own paths. They stop at all the little towns along the way and explore a little bit. Some good places to stop are Bay Harbor. You can explore that whole area. The Kilwins Chocolate Factory is conveniently located right up from the path, so you can stop in for tours Monday through Friday and take a little time to try some of their ice cream. The Wheelway goes by the Petoskey State Park, which is a beautiful stop. There's a great beach and sand dunes, and obviously a hot spot to look for Petoskey stones. And you can also make a stop at the top of Michigan Trails Council. Their building is located right on the Wheelway path as well. Thanks for being along for the ride today, guys. I'm ending up here at the park. But make sure you put the Little Traverse Wheelway on your list of things to do. Bring a bike, borrow a bike, heck, you can rent a bike. You can find out more information by visiting the Petoskey Area Visitors Bureau or the Top of Michigan Trails Council. That's it for me today, but we'll see you on the next one.